this is now calculator, so it says the average length of time for a patient's stay in a hospital continues to decline. The table below gives you the data for certain years. Let X be the number of years after 1970. That means that X equals 0 is 1970, and Y be the length of time in days. Align the data. So 1970 is 0. 1980 is 10 years after 1970. 1990 is 20 years after 1970, and 2002 is 32 years after 1970. And it says draw a scatter diagram of the data. So I have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. That should be enough. And then this guy comes down to 4.9, so I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So at 0, I'm pretty close to 8. At 10, it's 7.3. At 20, it's 6.4. And at 32, it's 4.9. So there's my scatter diagram. And it almost looks like a line. And it says use your graphing utility on your calculator. Find a line that best fits the linear regression. So I already have my data entered, so I do a stat, calculate, linear regression, and I get negative 0.09 for A and 8.02 for B, and then the correlation coefficients is negative 0.98263. So that says this guy is going to be Y equals negative 0.09x plus 8.02, rounding. The correlation coefficient to 5 places is negative 0.98263. How good is the fit? Well, not bad, since I have 1.9. So it's close to 1. Using the details in this problem above, interpret the slope of the line. Slope. Slope is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is negative 0.09 divided by 1. The units, and y is in days, and x is in years. So we're looking going 1 year and down 0.09 days. So if I put that in words, for every additional year after 1970, because that's the beginning of time, the number of days decrease by 0.09. And then it says, if the trend continues, what will it be in 2010? Well, I need an x value for 2010, so it'd be 2010 minus 1970. That means 40, so that x is 40. Now, using my model, y would be negative 0.09 times 40 plus 8.02, and then using my handy dandy little calculator, this would come out to be 4.42, and the units is days. And what year, and so I'm looking for the x value, will the number of days be 3? And that means that y equals 3. That means that negative 0.09x plus 8.02 equals 3. Negative 0.09x equals, subtract 8.02, negative 5.02. Or x is negative 5.02 divided by negative 0.09, which is going to be approximately 56 years after 1970, or 1970 plus 56 is 2006.